Hey guys, welcome back. I am down in Reno today because I just bought this truck. Really excited about it, but it got broken into and I think a homeless guy was sleeping in it for a while, so let's take a look around and figure out what's going on. So the ignition's all screwed up. I tried to fix it the other night. I'll cut to those clips right now. Okay, let's see what they did. Looks like they just stripped it all back. I got some wire color though, so I might be able to make this work. Oh, okay. Plugs in up there. Why they do what they did? Also, I'm gonna disconnect the battery on the front first because I do not want to have issues there. Flat. Dead. That's gonna need a serious jump. We don't need to worry about voltage problems while we're working on it. Here's my plan. Oh, what a mess. Get this undone a little bit. But basically, they cut this thing way too short and then tried to like hot wire it and stripped all the wire back. So there's nothing really to grab on here. I'm gonna have to head over to the junkyard and get a new connector and harness, or a chunk of harness. So do that, and then I might as well grab some trim because they just kind of shattered it all up. And then I think I don't know how they did this. It must have been a screwdriver. Like they screwed up that ignition lock cylinder. So maybe I can get one at the junkyard, but then it won't be keyed right to my key, so I don't know, man, but it's kind of a mess. Yeah, so I'll get that trim piece. I don't think I need to take that with me. It's just the bottom trim. Maybe I should grab the upper trim too. I don't know, looks like it's just the bottom. Yeah, really screwed up. So I checked this the other night and it was like flat dead. I'll show you again. This thing has been like hard shorted, I think, so it's not good. Let me yank that thing out so that I can take it to the parts store and turn in the core, get another battery. But I think that's all it's gonna need. New battery, new connector on the steering wheel, and we should be good to go. All right, just like that. At the junkyard is like 2 miles down the road, which is nice. I think I'm in rows like in the 50s today. Not too bad. But the freaking door handles sought after. And then I think my plug is right here. All the wire colors look the same to me. I actually didn't even check what year this thing is. 1103. This one's an 03. But it looks the same to me. Yeah, comparing pictures from my truck to this one, all the wires are the same colors, so no reason to dilly-dally. I'm just gonna cut this thing off and be in my merry way. Cut as much slack as I can though. That's what I want to do. Probably pull this panel off. All right, it's just nice when you have as long of wires as possible. That'll do it. Should have plenty to splice on with that piece right there. That's great. Okay, well, I was able to yank this trim off of this 2006, but it's black and my car is gray. It's okay though. Also, there's another plug here, but I think I'll be fine. I got mine already. I had the thought to just check the harness on this 2006 F150 with mine, and actually this one that I got out of like the 04 is actually the right one. I think I got this from the 04. But yeah, these match my 2005, so I'm glad I checked that 2006 they changed things. Well, I'm pretty sure I got everything I needed. Trim and my harness piece. Kind of sad though, because I usually spend like 1 or 2 hours in the junkyard. I'm in and out in like 20 minutes. It's a good $3 spent, I guess. Hopefully they don't overcharge me for this stuff. Let me go put this in the truck. Actually, I gotta go to the parts store and get a new battery, but then we'll go back to the truck. All right, here I am back at the truck. Got a hot battery, got my connector. Just need my wire strippers and some more Wagos. I'm so paranoid because I'm basically in someone's house right now. They were living in here. If they catch me, they'll be like, hey, that's my house. So glad I don't have to match wire color, because I was trying to find diagrams online and there just really wasn't good diagrams for this year on this specific connector. So maybe by watching this you'll get some help out of it in case you're having the same ordeal or messing with this particular connector. All our colors are the same. We wiggle those together. Should do. Well, I guess I'll throw a battery in it and try and fire it up. Why is there a razor blade in here? Oh no, not a good place for the ice cream. Gotta tighten these down. See, if I touch it right here, I can hear things happening. That's good enough for starting it. Okay, let's see if it starts. Woohoo! The radio sounds terrible. I think it's this security light. Oh, look at that! Fired right up. I can't believe that. Wow, I can't believe it started. I'm sure there's some blown fuses somewhere, but man, that's great. We have a running truck and some ice cream to reward myself. That's amazing. Cool. Well, that was easy money. I think this connector was like 13 bucks with the piece of trim. So cool. I'll drive home now. I guess before I drive it on the freeway, I should check the oil and stuff. Found this strap on the ground. Ooh, that oil is super low. Hope there's not a leak. There's enough to get home, but it's pretty low actually. It's kind of low. My other car here, I think I have some spare oil in it. This takes 520. I don't know if I have that. Luckily, the car I drove down here is the CRV, and the CRV takes 520, so I always keep a quart of 520 with me. You can see I moved the truck. So we'll put a little bit of oil in there. Well, trash saves the day again. Isn't that beautiful? We're like almost full now. Real quick, we'll see coolant. I don't see much here. It's hard to tell with these old containers. These reservoirs just get so dried out. Oh yeah, we got plenty of coolant in there. Just can't tell from the outside. Alright, as long as I have enough gas, I should be able to get home. Ugh, you know what's funny is I don't have to keep this in. So just chuck it in there. Oh, I got a 3/4 tank. Well, great. Oil looks fine. Coolant, nothing to see. How many miles? 180. Cool. Well, I can drive home. There's nothing really that exciting about it. Maybe I'll time lapse or something. Well, quick update on the road. Everything looks great on the dash. Even the cruise control works perfect. So yeah, it's been really smooth. Nothing seems wrong. I didn't even check the air in the tires. I just looked at the tires and they all looked fine, but it's been a really smooth drive, going on like 30 minutes. So when I get back, I think I'll do a code scan and just see what the truck has on it. If there's any issues from the security system, maybe. I don't know, but so far so good. This truck's great. Okay, made it home. Let's see if this truck has any codes. Let's see. There are no pending, stored, or permanent diagnostic trouble codes. Wow, that's sweet. Let's just look at live vitals real quick. Ooh, it's running kind of lean. Got a fuel trim at 18%. Engine's 180 degrees. Manifold pressure 9 inches mercury. There might be a major air leak. That's what it looks like with that low vacuum at idle. We can smoke test it and find that easy probably. That's a common thing with these trucks. Battery's charging good, so. Alright, I think that's going to do it for this video. I might make more videos on this truck, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. That was a pretty quick little turnaround for this vehicle. Alright, well, see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.